Many end users choose to build their own carton factories, but it's difficulty and they don't want to rely on technical experience. So they can open up a new way in market development. How would a savvy person choose? Industrial-grade digital printing machines gave them new ideas. Jordan's largest meat product supplier did just that. They did not start a traditional watermark printer at the beginning, but purchased two WD-200 industrial-grade single-pass ink high-speed digital printing produced by Shenzhen Wonder Printing System Co. Limited machine linkage line. In their opinion, the entry carton production of digital printing equipment is very simple and efficient, which can save a lot of tedious procedures of traditional machines, and save labor, and the benefits can be increased rapidly. At present, the main orders of this carton factory are food and fruit cartons. Two Wonder digital printing linkage lines can meet the requirements of different orders. WD-200 industrial-grade single-pass ink high-speed corrugated digital printing press has a benchmark accuracy of 1200 dpi and is equipped with an intelligent high-speed suction conversion printing platform. It has high printing accuracy, little influence on materials, stable operation, and the fastest printing speed, can reach 150 mean, and the image quality is comparable with traditional high-definition ink printing. The water-based dye ink plus drying, plus varnishing line can print commonly used yellow and white cattle cardboard with high color saturation, and achieve the enhancement effect of brightening, waterproofing and wear resistance. When printing coated paper, it is waterproof, wear resistant, not fading. Full-page color printing can also be easily achieved. In addition, WD-200 industrial-grade single-pass ink high-speed corrugated digital printer is linked with WDS F250 high-speed slotting unit to realize the integration of high-speed printing and slotting. It can also be upgraded and customized to yellow, red, blue, black plus light red, light blue, orange, and purple. 8-color printing makes the production of corrugated boxes more efficient and colorful.